Welcome everybody to another episode of Renegade's Garage. In this episode, as you guys just seen in one of the more previous episodes, I got these. I said Corbeu, still don't know how to say it correctly, seats. Like I said, the Baja RS reclining seats for the Jeep. In this episode, we're gonna clean them. Like I said, I picked them up off of Marketplace for 50 bucks. So they say they need a little bit of cleaning. As I mentioned in that video, they were mildewy, they smelled pretty bad. But for 50 bucks, I knew I could clean them up, at least to the best. They're not perfectly clean, there's still some stains on them. But as long as they don't stink. Hi, they smell better. So in this video, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna show you guys the cleaning process. I used some just vinyl cleaner on the sides here, and a carpet spot cleaner to clean up the red. That's just a type of fabric. I mean, I'm sure this is not the best option of how to clean these, but it's what I did. So I'm gonna set this up on a time lapse. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning these seats. And stay tuned, and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay. So here's my plan of attack. Especially the driver's seat here, kind of smell like pee. So I have some stain odor remover for like cat pee and dog pee. Spray that on it. That's currently sitting in it. And I got some just Mother's Speed Detail Interior. Clean the vinyl. I got some regular Febreze with Oxy and Gain carpet cleaner to do the cloth of it. I'm going to use my carpet extractor to get this nice and wet and then vacuum it out. After I get everything good and wet, I got a brush attachment for my drill. Scrub it in real good and see how this goes. I'm not no detailer, so this may work out good, this may not. We'll find out. Okay, after a few moments, definitely more than a few moments, but I got it cleaned up. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a background secret of this video. This is actually the second time I've deep cleaned these, because the first time they were really bad, and it's still pulling black crud out of these seats. They were so bad. But I just, in the video, if I leave it in or not, but I just went outside, go get a new multi-fiber cloth. And again, cleaned this vinyl once before, and it's still pulling black crud off of them. So yeah, these seats were pretty dirty. So they should definitely smell a heck of a lot better when I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back underneath the fans. May spray one more time, especially in the seat area. And then I'll go grab the other one, do that one, and I'll show you guys the final product once they're dry. So as a side bubble thought process for you guys here, broke out the scale. Let's weigh the old seats versus the new one. So for this test, I'm going to do the driver's seat versus the new one. I don't have the brackets for the new seats yet, but typically they don't weigh much more than a couple pounds, like 5, maybe 10 pounds. So I'm not gonna say even close to 10, probably 5. So grab the driver's seat here. Okay. So it's roughly all the weight of it bouncing on one spot. I'm not pushing down on it, just balancing it. So this says roughly 60. Grab my new seat here. Which weighs way less, like I'm going to tell you. We're going to find out together, but what's that? Roughly 35. So yeah, almost half the weight. So with the brackets installed. So yeah, with the brackets installed, I'm gonna say that's every bit of 20, maybe 25 pounds of weight savings between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, or not driver's seat, passenger. Between the old driver's seat and the new driver's seat. Again, these don't have the brackets on them yet, but they usually don't weigh that much more with the brackets on it. So yeah, if you're looking to go slightly built rig like mine and want a new comfy pair of seats, I would definitely look into a set of Corbeus. And definitely that's helping get my weight center of gravity from up higher down low. And I removed my rear seat, so I'm not even about to take that thing out because it's sitting in storage right now. But I'm pretty sure that's going to be every bit of 100 pounds. If the front seat's 60 by itself, that every bit has to be 80 to 100. So getting rid of the rear seat and the front seats, that's roughly, do the math with me here quick. So that's somewhere around 150-ish pounds saved off of the Jeep. So that's a pretty good savings. Plus I deleted my rear bumper. I'm doing the rear bumper. I have the rear bumper delete coming. All I'm running is just the hitch in the rear with some D-rings. And again, if you've not seen it yet, go check that out. I made a custom high mount hitch for the rear. And then I'm going to adjust the front seats. I'm going to be gaining the weight back because I'm going to do the, oh, what's it called? Rock something. I think it's hard rock. I don't know. It's the one who makes the front half cage and harness bar for the JK. I'm buying that to put in, so I'm probably going to gain that weight back. But at least I'm not cresting the weight of what the Jeep started off as for the interior. I want to keep my center of gravity as low as possible. But into the next video, guys, I'm going to be just finishing up cleaning up these seats a little bit more. You've seen the basic of them. They're both basically clean now. Like I get them dried more. But as you can tell, they're in pretty good shape. This one, being the passenger side, has a couple of tears in it and a couple of wear spots, but it's not in bad shape. Definitely clean up real good once you get all the mildew and stink out of them. But when the brackets come, I'll show you guys how to install those. I have a video of how to install the old ones if you've not uninstalled the old ones yet either. And just different content is coming up of how to install different things. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay humble, work on your projects, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay. You guys ever need a good reason to clean your seats every once in a while in your rig? There you go. And I'm not entirely sure what's up with the red. I guess the dye. That's only in the very base of the seat. where your, like the back side of your calf go, kind of area, at the very foot of it. So I don't know if something got on it that is making the dye leak out or what, but if you want good reason to need to clean your seats out, there you go.